Good day everyone, especially to you, ma'am. So, I am the third reporter of our group. So, my assigned topic was all about fish pond construction. So, when we say fish pond is pangingisdaan. So, when we say fish pond construction is ang pag-construct sa fish pond. So, survey. Before constructing the pond, land is surveyed to find out determine its topography. So before pag-construct sa pond, kailangan jud nato tanawon ang land area sa atong tukuran kay kung moingon man jud ta og topography, study or descriptor of land area. Number 2, marking the area of proposed pond is the first step in the construction of a fish pond. Siyempre, marking the area is the first step sa pag-construct og pond. The natural slope where the main wall is to be built should be ascertained. Kung moingon ta og natural slope are formed due to physical processes that include plate tectonics and weathering, erosion of rock masses that result in material deposition. Example, embankments, art dams, road cuttings, etc. So, kung maghimo tag kanang kanang fish pond, siguraduhin din nato ang area nato or ang land na atong gamiton is kanang layo sa mga like kanang layo sa fault line, kumbaga dili siya dali maiguog kanang like kung na ay linog na mga ingana dili siya ma-crack. Ay masayang lang ang effort. So, later on natong ma-discuss ang embankments. So, the main wall should be marked off at the lower end of the pond, where the slope is the greatest. So, ang main wall, kailangan jud markahan dito sa pinaka-ilaluman, where ang slope is naa sa ibabaw or itaas. So, designing the fish pond. The first step of designing fish ponds should be to study the soil type, topography, and water supply. So, syempre no, ang first step man jud sa pag-design sa fish pond is studyhan ang soil type or klase sa yuta na gamiton, kung asa dapit nga area sa yuta ug ang water supply na naapay enough na water nga makasupply sa fish pond. In designing the fish farm, it should be decided as to where and how many nursery, rearing, and stocking ponds are to be constructed. So, in designing the fish farm, need jud mag-decide kung asa ug pila ang himuon nga nursery, rearing, and stocking ponds. In case of a fish farm constructed solely for the purpose of seed production, only nursery and rearing ponds may be constructed with a nominal area for the broodstock ponds. So, kung ang purpose nga nung gi-construct ang nursery o rearing ponds kay para sa seed production. So, sa broodstock ponds, dito na siya makonstruct sa nominal area. So, from the words nominal area is the total area of the screen deck exposed to the flow of the material feed. So, in case of grow-out farm, more stocking ponds will be constructed to produce stable size fish after stocking fingerlings rather. So, in case mudako na ang imong farm, syempre mudaghan naman ang mga isda. O mudako na po sila, so mas mudaghan na. Daghanon sab nimo ang stocking ponds nga imong i-construct. So, next. For a composite fish farm, all three types of ponds are required and their number should be based on the intended stocking density. So, ang three types ng ponds ang required is katong nursery, rearing, and stock ponds. Kaya ang isda mabahin man based sa ilahang density or sa ilahang kadakon, kagamayon, or like eggs pa lang. Fish ponds should be at least 1 surface acre in size. Ponds smaller than 1 acre seldom support a satisfactory fish population over many years. They usually require much more intensive fish management and may not justify the cost. So, ang fish ponds should at least one surface acre or hectare nga size kay ang gamay nga ponds makasupport man Japon sa fish population over many years. Mas usually gi-require nila ang intensive fish management para dili ra kaayo malugi. It is important to know the exact size, maximum depth, average depth, and water volume of the pond. This information becomes useful in calculating the amount of herbicide needed for weed control and the number of fish fingerlings needed for stocking. So, importante dyan mabaluan ang exact size, maximum depth, average depth, water volume sa pond kay kanina information is makatabang mani siya sa fish fingerlings nga need for stocking. So, let's move on to different kinds of ponds. Different kind of ponds, freshwater ponds, fish ponds differ according to their source of water, the way in which water can be drained from the pond, the material and method used for construction, and the method of use for fish farming. So of course we have here freshwater fish ponds nga fresh jud ang water nga ginahimo ani nga fish pond. So according to the water source rather, number 1, ponds can be fed by groundwater. A. Spring water ponds are supplied from a spring either in the pond or very close to it. The water supply may vary throughout the year but the quality of the water is usually constant. So, pag mayroon ta og spring water ponds, ang spring water ponds ang nag-supply ani na tubig is gikan sa ilalom. Matawag nato og kanang tubod pero mulabay lang gyapon ang pila ka tuig. Ang tubig ani na ponds still the same lang gyapon. So walay kabaguan kay gikan man siya sa ilalom. Kani nga ponds is mao ni siya ang kanang tubod. Like ang iyahang tubig gikan sa ilalom. So B, seepage ponds are supplied from the water table by seepage into the pond. The water level in the pond will vary with the level of the water table. Seepage into ponds can occur where their bottoms are excavated below the water table or where a pond within a complex of pond is drained but adjacent ponds are wholly of water. Ponds more commonly experience a net loss of water through seepage. So number 2, rain-fed ponds are supplied from rainfall and surface runoff. No water is supplied during the dry season. These ponds are often small depressions in impermeable soil with a dike built at the lower side to retain more water. So, rain-fed ponds supplied from rainfall and surface runoff. Makita lang ni na pond if na ay ulan. Okay man siya sa ponds pero kailangan naka-filtered ang ulan. Adi sir, mapaingon sa mga isda or sa ponds kay kani manggit na ponds is kanang mugawas lang ni siya if nay ulan. So kung naiingani nga ponds tapos gusto ka magkuhan nga by the use of rainfall lang ang iyahang water supplies, need jud nimo siya i-filterize sa addition nimo iadto dito kay ang air pollution manggod sa ibabaw is acidic. So 3, ponds can be fed from a water body such as stream, a lake, a reservoir, or an irrigation canal. This may be fed directly, example barrage ponds, by water running straight out from the water body to the ponds. or indirectly. Example, diversion ponds, by water entering a channel from which controlled amounts can be fed to the ponds. Ponds, pag moingon tawag ponds, ay small body of still water formed naturally or by hollowing or embanking. So number 4, pump feed ponds are normally higher than the water level and can be supplied from a well, spring, lake, reservoir, or irrigation canal by pumping. So, ug mo yung tawag pump feed ponds, mao ni ang basic system nga mo compromise nga nabutang sa ubos sa atong pond. And a filter sat on the pond side. The pump siya sa water nga gikan sa ilalom sa ponds. Then, i-filter niya ang tubig hangtod like mabalik na sab siya. Balik-balik lang ang trabaho sa pump. Need ang hand pump kay kini man jud ang mo-filter sa tubig para ma-avoid ang water stagnating. So, according to the means of drainage, undrainable ponds cannot be drained by gravity. They are generally fed by groundwater or surface runoff. Underwater level may vary seasonally. Such ponds have two origins. So, pag mo yung tawag dyan, drainable ponds typically refers to a pond or body of water that cannot be easily or feasibly drained. So, sa Bisaya pa, dali mahubsan or mahubas nga fish pond. Number 2, drainable ponds are set higher than the level to which the water is drained and can easily be drained by gravity. They are generally fed by surface water such as runoff, a spring or stream, or are pump feed. So, drainable ponds is a pond or body of water that has the capability to be drained or have its water level reduced intentionally. So, meaning, ang drainable pond is mahubsan or na siya, capability nga mahubas lang siya or tuyuan siya og pahubas. Pump drain ponds may be drainable by gravity to a certain level and then the water has to be pumped out. Other ponds similar to undrainable ponds must be pumped out completely. These ponds are only used where groundwater does not seep back into any extent. So, ang pump drain pond is a type of pond that is designed to have its water level controlled or reduced by using a pump system. Kaya niya magpahubas gamit lang ang pump system. So, next, according to the construction materials. So, we have here 13 ponds are entirely constructed from soil materials. They are the most common and you will learn primarily about these ponds in this manual. Ang earthen pond is human-made water bodies, typically shallow and constructed by excavating soil or clay from the surrounding area to create an enclosure for holding water. Like kani siyang earthen pond is mao ni siya ang kanang kaluton sa ilalom. Like natural na gani siya, mao ni siya ang pinaka-common nga ponds diri sa atoa. So number 2, walled ponds are usually surrounded by black bricks or concrete walls. Sometimes wooden planking or corrugated metal is used. So moingon tag walled ponds ay ang ponds that are enclosed or bordered by walls, typically made of materials like concrete, stone, or brick. These walls mag-serve ni siya as to certain the water within the pond and can provide structural support. Walled ponds are often used in landscaping and decorating garden design. So kani siyang walled ponds is kanang na siya kay bali kanang utlanan sa bay kilid niya, murag limit lang samot na og kanang gamay lang ang space, so pwede ni maghimo kag walled ponds. So lined ponds are earthen ponds lined with an impervious material such as plastic or rubber sheet. Ang lined ponds, so ang lined ponds ay kanang mao ni siya ang kanang na-line like kanang naa siya'y kanang mga gamitan ni siya o kanang rubber sheet or mga plastic sa ilalom. So pag moingon tag line ponds ay artificial water bodies designed with a waterproof or impermeable leaving or membrane to prevent water from seeping into the surrounding soil. Line ponds are commonly used in aquaculture, water storage, and etc. So next. So according to the construction method, dugout ponds are constructed by excavating soil from an area to form a hole which is then filled with water. They are usually drainable and fed by rainfall surface runoff of organ water. Ang dugout ponds ay type sa pond nga created by excavating or digging a depression into the ground. These ponds are typically formed by removing soil or earth from a particular nga area, like mahimo ni siya ay makalod ka sa ilalom or maghimo ka og baso. Dugout ponds is kaning mao ni siya ang ponds nga kanang himuon, like magkutkut ka sa ilalom bitaw. So kanang kani siya nga ponds is kanang dili ani siya dali mahubas kay naman sa ilalom ang iyahang tubig. Embankment ponds are formed without excavation by building one or more dikes above ground level to impound water. They are usually drainable and fed by gravity flow of water or by pumping. So ang embankment ponds ay na-form without excavation or pagkalot sa ilalim sa yuta. Na-form siya by building one or more dikes above ground level to impound water. So, unlike sa dugout ponds, imo siyang kaluton sa ilalom para lang makahimo ka og hole or bangag. Sa embankment ponds manggid is kanang pwede siya mahimo bisag wala ka nagkalot sa ilalom. So number 3, cut and fill ponds are built by a mix of excavation, embankment, and sloping ground. They are usually drainable and water which is impounded within the dikes is fed by gravity or by pumping. So, ang cut and fill ponds ay built by a mix of excavation of embankment on sloping ground. Nabuhat siya through the sloping ground. They are usually drainable and water which is impounded within the dikes is fed by gravity or by pumping. So according to the use of the pond, spawning ponds for the production of eggs and small fry. So ang spawning pond ay small pond special designed for natural spawning by birdfish in aquaculture. Ug mayong tawag spawn meaning ang eggs or sperm release or deposited into water by aquaculture. Diba? So kaning nga spawning ponds is kaning paling sa mga gagmay nga mga itlog. Dili gipambutang ang mga gagmay, mga eggs pa lang ang mga itlog. Mga eggs pa lang ang mga isda rather. Nursery ponds for the production of larger juveniles. Ang nursery ponds ay one stage of a series of ponds na gigamit na sa aquaculture or fish production. This particular pond type is devoted to supporting baby fish and or shellfish as they grow, form prior to pangirly stages. So, na-guess ninyo. So, brood ponds for broodstock rearing. Ang brood fish ponds ay nagama doon sa water supply to facilitate in water management. It should be drainable and rectangular shape with water depth of 1 to 2 m. Or ang broodstock ay small population of lahi animal maintained as source of population replacement or for the establishment of new populations as of game birds in suitable habitats. So, storage ponds for holding fish temporarily open prior to marketing. Ang storage pond ay earthen structure designed to store manure and other biodegradable byproducts of animals production. So, sa fattening ponds for the production of food fish. For the production of food fish is mao ni siya ang kanang ponds nga wherein dito ginapakaon ng mga isda. Ani nga ponds nga para matambok sila or madungag og kanang kuan. So ang storage ponds to no is to holding fish temporarily open prior to marketing. So ready na siya i-market nga isda. Dito alang siya gina-hold, like mura siya kanang hiluan or lamingon pa lang ang storage pond. So ang patining is dito ang production of food, fish, ugasa, ginapakaon ng mga isda. So, integrated ponds which have crabs, animals, or other fish ponds around them to supply waste materials to the ponds as feed or fertilizer. So, integrated ponds, more diri na siya nagsagol-sagol ang mga klase-klaseng animals or fish like na diri ang tilapia, karpa, or mga etc. pa nga mga isda nga pwede makuan sa fish pond. So wintering ponds for holding fish during the cold season is kaning. Para sa cold season mao ni siya ang gamiton nga fish pond. So any questions, clarifications? So that's all my report. I hope you learn a lot. Thank you.